Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. In today's video, we're exploring the astrological forecast for Gemini in April 2025. This month brings dynamic energies and opportunities for growth, especially in areas of communication, learning, and personal development. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. For those born under the sign of Gemini, April 2025 is a month of intellectual stimulation and social engagement. With several planetary movements influencing your sign, you can expect shifts that will enhance your natural curiosity and adaptability. Mercury retrograde March 15th through 7th. Mercury, your ruling planet, will be retrograde until April 7th, which can bring delays, misunderstandings, and challenges in negotiations. During this time, double-check all communications, avoid signing contracts, and use this period for reflection and reassessment. Venus enters Taurus, April 30. On April 30th, Venus moves into Taurus, bringing stability to your finances and relationships. This is a great time to make thoughtful financial decisions and strengthen long-term commitments. Avoid impulsive spending. Mars enters Leo, April 18. Mars in Leo energizes your sector of communication and learning, making you more assertive and expressive. Use this energy to engage in public speaking, negotiations, or creative projects. However, be mindful of being overly dominant in discussions. Career and finances. With Venus in Taurus by the end of the month, financial matters stabilize and networking opportunities increase. Leverage your social skills to form strategic alliances. Be cautious with major investments until Mercury retrograde ends. Relationships. The influence of Venus in Taurus will bring a more practical and grounded approach to relationships. Strengthen existing bonds by focusing on trust and consistency in communication. Health and well-being. The energetic influence of Mars in Leo boosts physical activity, but Mercury retrograde may cause mental restlessness. Balance exercise with mindfulness activities like yoga or meditation to stay grounded. Best days for success. April 15th, Mercury turns direct, excellent for clear communication and decision-making. April 18th, Mars enters Leo, giving you confidence, ideal for launching ideas or engaging in debates. April 27th, the Moon in Taurus favors financial stability, great for making long-term financial plans. What to avoid. April 3rd to 7th, the final days of Mercury retrograde may cause misunderstandings. Avoid signing contracts or making hasty decisions. April 20th, Mars squares Uranus, increasing the potential for unexpected conflicts. Be cautious with impulsive actions. April 2025 offers Geminis a blend of social opportunities and intellectual growth. By navigating the month's energies with awareness, you can turn challenges into avenues for personal development. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. How do you plan to harness April's energy to achieve your goals? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new cosmic update. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.